Android is Android. You mean the Flutter?
No, not the Flutter. Flutter is for both, right?
Android is Play Store. Android Play Store.
No, the thing like you Swift for Apple, right?
Android is Android. Android, maybe the Android.
Oh.
Yeah, Android. Android is Studio. Studio, okay. So now let's talk about what is the journey of a mobile application for the iOS. That's the question. Once a developer complete and in the test environment for the iOS, as a development team member, as a product owner, you may have the access permission of the App Store, or you may not have the access permission of the App Store. Anyway, whoever has the access permission for the iOS, you have to download as a development team member, you have to download the TestFlight on your phone. Once you do the TestFlight, you're good. Developer has to actually push the code in the test environment, which is called the TestFlight. Okay, because the code you cannot push to the production right away, release the production right away. Code is, of course, the code is in the backend. Mobile app is only the client.
Is that beta testing?
Yeah, let's go with the testing. So as a developer, the development team members can be anybody else. You need to, for iOS, you need to download the TestFlight. Once a developer push the code, build the code. They build the code with the build number. Build number cannot go behind. Build number can go up. Example 1.1. If you push again to the App Store, the planning, it has to be 1.2 or it has to be 1.1.1. It can never be the same number. It can never be lower number because the App Store repository will not accept. So that's the version works. Anything, any dot you change, you have to change the version number. Okay, so if your version number is good, app is there, so app is built. When you do the app build, you have to provide a metadata. Metadata is like a kind of the raw data you can see. Apple does not say anything. Once you just normally push put the code on the Apple, the lower environment, they do not say anything. At this moment, you need to add test engineer or whoever want to test it. iOS email there, the iPhone email ID. And then when they open their app, they will see the app is ready on their App Store, on the TestFlight. Now they can actually open it. They can test it based on the sprint. Their test case development is the same. Test execution is the same because it's the manual testing. In the web, if you remember, click it, click it, click it. In the mobile, it said that tap on it, right? Tap on it. In the mobile, you do not say that click it. Mobile is tap on it. That's only the difference. Remaining explanation, writing the test case steps, prerequisite, test data, they are all the same across the IO. You find the bug, you report the bug, these are all the same thing, okay? But anyway, so once you are done this part, then your app manager requests to the App Store release. Then the Apple quality team and Apple quality team receive this. Everything is automated. You don't need to do anything. Everything from the App Store portal on the Apple website. So they review it. If they find out any quality issues, you need to have all the pictures there. Like that's the reason you see the App Store picture, right? All the screenshot. You need to make sure that they are good quality. You need to make sure they are following the legal compliance. You need to make sure whatever you do, you need to declare it. But anyway, these are not your goal to know. Once they look everything, if they have any concern, they will respond to your like an app that your app is declined because of this and this reason. Your development team has to work to fix it and then release again, try the new version. Remember, cannot do the same version. Developer fix it, developer push it. Then it goes to the new version, 1.1.2. They review it again. If there is no issues, they will say the app for review for the App Store. So this part is automated. So then it actually go to the App Store. Then you can find out TS4U app is on the App Store now. So that's actually the iOS process. Then the user, as a user, every mass people can use it. Until the App Store goes, only the development team can use this under the development period.